Understanding the phrase, pay lip service, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the interesting phrase, pay lip service. This expression is commonly used in English, and understanding it can really help in grasping the nuances of the language. So, let's dive in. The phrase, pay lip service, refers to the act of expressing agreement, support, or respect for something without taking any significant action to prove it. It's like saying you agree with something, but not really meaning it or following through with actions. This expression is often used in a critical way to point out someone's insincerity. Understanding the origins of pay lip service can help us grasp its meaning better. This phrase dates back to medieval times. Lip service was literally service, like a prayer or a pledge, given by the lips, without the heart really being involved. It suggests a lack of sincerity in the commitment. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. Many politicians only pay lip service to environmental issues, but they rarely take concrete actions. 2. She claimed to support the charity, but it was just lip service. She never actually donated. These examples show how the phrase is used to express disapproval of someone's insincerity. There are several synonyms and expressions with similar meanings. Empty words, hollow promises, to talk the talk, but not walk the walk. Knowing these can help you recognize the concept in different contexts. I hope this explanation has helped you understand the meaning and use of pay lip service. It's a powerful phrase that can add depth to your understanding of English. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use it in your conversations to sound more like a native speaker. See you in our next video.